Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this highlighter that I got in my December 2021 Ipsy Glam bag. And this is the YC Collection Light in the Dark Highlight in the shade Vintage. And this looks really pretty. It's a great size product for a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $16, and I'm excited about this because it claims to illuminate the skin while also providing hydration. So I love the idea of a powder highlighter that's moisturizing. It says it contains vitamin E and plant oils, but hopefully that means it's going to look really smooth and skin-like and not leave any cakey, dry, powdery texture. So I'm really excited to see how this feels and swatch it. It definitely looks a little bit dark for a highlight. Oh yeah, the swatch seems to be the same color as in the pan here, but let's see how it looks on my skin. Ooh, pretty. It's got shimmer to it, and on my skin it does, well, a little hard to see on camera, but it does kind of look a little bit gold. So I'm going to try it where I like to apply highlighter, but I also think this is going to be a beautiful eyeshadow because when it comes to highlighters, I don't love a sparkly shimmer highlighter. I mean, I love a sparkly shimmer eyeshadow, but I prefer more of a natural sheen glow when it comes to highlight. But I am going to try this out in a few different methods. I am also going to be trying this out with the brush that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag this month, the SL Miss Glam BB5 small powder brush, because I got some recommendations to use this as a highlighter brush, so why not give this a try as well. So picking up some product onto the brush. Let's see how it is on the cheekbones. Yeah, it's definitely applying a visible shimmer streak, which is so pretty from a distance and in photos on camera, but in person it just looks so unnatural, and I really try and get more of a natural looking highlight, but this already gives pretty glow to the skin with just a light layer. But I also prefer usually to apply my highlighters just with my finger. So let's amp it up a bit and apply it with my finger. It really does have a buttery texture. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, it's buildable, but as I build it up, it looks very gold, which is a little too dark on my skin tone. I think I need more of a champagne type of shade than gold. And as I'm layering it up, it's looking more sparkly and metallic. So it's really personal preference about if you want a sparkly highlight or just that shine glow. And even though it claims to be moisturizing, hydrating, it doesn't look any different than a regular powder. In fact, it does emphasize texture and look kind of dry and powdery. So not what I was hoping to see. Yeah, it does not look very smooth on the skin. It is like creating dry texture, which you do not want that. So maybe I'm just playing around trying out different techniques. But maybe if I wet my brush, let's see what that does. Spray it with a little setting spray. Pick up the highlighter. I mean, that definitely amps it up. So this would be a good technique to do for eyeshadow, because that is actually like so amped up. It looks pretty much like an opaque metallic on the cheek, which once again, for highlight is not what I'm trying to achieve, but pretty for an eyeshadow, I think. So next I definitely have to put this on my eyes. But it really does emphasize the pores that I have on my cheek here. And yeah, it just really makes it look so like aged, my skin here, and that is so not what I want. So this is unfortunately a failure as a highlighter for me. Let's see how it works on the eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead, pick up some more on my finger here, and let's see how it looks on my eyelid. Could probably use this as a brow highlight in a pinch, but it's still a little bit darker than what I would prefer for that brow and inner corner highlight. But let's see, as an all over lid shimmer, I think it's pretty because it definitely gives sparkle to the eye. It's decent. Like if I wanted to apply a gold shimmery eyeshadow, I would reach for something a little more pigmented than this. This is just a little bit too lackluster for the eyelid. I mean, it gives a little bit of shimmer, but maybe it's the shade too. Not my most flattering eyeshadow shade all over the lid to wear this gold. I was expecting to like it more on my eyelid than I am. Like, it's pretty, but it's just not really doing anything for me. It's not really enhancing the eye. I think you'd have to, like, if you're looking at me, you wouldn't even notice that I'm wearing this color on my eyelids because it's a little bit too similar to my natural skin tone, and it has shimmer, but it's very small shimmer, so it's not like I'm wearing a glittery eyeshadow. So, I mean, you could use this maybe as an eyeshadow topper. I feel like it's a stretch though, because what I would find a use for of this would just be kind of like an extra step that I don't necessarily want to do in my makeup routine on like an everyday basis. But if you have any ideas, uses for this that you have found that you've been enjoying it for, please let me know in the comments down below. And to think full size, $16, that is just a product that I would say, save your money. So really bummed about this. I was excited about how pretty it looked and the claims about it, but now I know. So as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.